Hi, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I am going to review this super strong LED flashlight from China. First of all, let's talk about its body. It's the whole metal body and it's also the waterproof. And second thing, if we talk about the LED, it uses Yinding 505020 watts LED. The total size of the die is 5 millimeter square, and the emitting spot is about 1 millimeter square area, which emits the light. And it's the whole waterproof. As you can see that it's the rubber covering, and it's the 5-volt USB port. Below is the C type port for charging. So this USB port you can use it as a power bank. Now let's jump towards the battery. As you can see that it uses simple 26650 lithium ion cell, which is a typically 3.7 volt. Max charging voltage is 4.2 volts, and it's written 8000 mAh. Seriously, man, I don't know why these Chinese sellers always mention these such bogus numbers. Maybe it's a marketing stunt. There is only 5000 mAh max in the 26650 size. Any seller claiming more than that is fake sell. Okay, so here's the battery. It uses single cell. Let's close the back cover. Overall, this flashlight is a solid build and very bright. So let's talk about the modes. So it's the full power mode, and if you double tap the button, it starts blinking. So that's the blinking mode. And so there's also step dimming in this flashlight. As you can see that if you single tap and turn the flashlight onto a full power mode, now press and hold the button and it continuously adjusts from high to low. So as soon as the you release the button, the the brightness will fix at that position. In the same way, you can also again press and hold, so it starts going to the full power mode. Now again, you can see that continuously adjustable. It's basically called the step dimming or stepping dimming. You can use whatever you want. So now the further thing is all about the beam shots. Now I will go to the outdoor and will show you that how this flashlight performs. So now here's the total dark street. Let's turn it on. Whoa, so you can see the thick beam. So if I zoom in, so that far away wall is almost 80 to 90 meters, and it's totally lighted up with the sweet round spot. Okay, oh, let me show you that it's also have a telescopic zoom. As you can see that I'm not doing any NC or lux meter test, which is required for the total range in meters of the flashlight, but I'm sure that it's more than 1 million candela. So let's see here. So that far away wall is also the same distance of about 80 to 90 meters. It's a pretty solid beam. So overall, I'm happy. with this flashlight. It's a simple Chinese, not a such branded one, but I am impressed. So there were the beam shots. If you see in the top sky, there is Mars. Hello, pussycat. One thing special is I like this sweet round spot. So it's the low power mode. Sweet round spot. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for the next video.